Vladimir Putin's support for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is part of a broader strategy to reduce Russia's reliance on the US dollar and its financial system, especially following economic sanctions. Over the years, Russia has explored alternatives to the dollar as a way to strengthen its economic sovereignty and mitigate the impact of Western sanctions. Putin's comments about cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, reflect this desire to diversify Russia's financial activities. He has spoken in favor of using digital currencies in international trade, particularly with countries that share similar views on reducing dependence on the US dollar. Moreover, Russia has explored the idea of creating a central bank digital currency, CBDC, the digital ruble, to further assert control over its financial systems. However, while there is official backing for cryptocurrencies in some quarters, Russia's stance on Bitcoin and other decentralized digital currencies has been somewhat cautious. Regulatory hurdles remain, and the government has been debating how best to control and harness the potential of blockchain technology without undermining its own financial authority. In short, Putin's comments and moves toward embracing cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin align with a broader strategy to weaken Russia's reliance on US dollars, particularly in the wake of strained geopolitical relations. Putin's policy toward cryptocurrencies is not just about increasing Russia's economic independence but also about reasserting its position in the global financial system. The central role of the US dollar and Russia's reliance on the SWIFT payment network have exposed it to economic sanctions imposed by Western countries. These sanctions have harmed Russia's economy, and cryptocurrencies are seen as a potential tool to challenge this system. One of Russia's primary objectives is to conduct trade in energy and other exports without using the US dollar. For example, Russia is exploring the use of cryptocurrencies in trade with China to reduce dependence on the US dollar between the two countries. Additionally, Russia has begun working on its own central bank digital currency, CBDC, the digital ruble, which could strengthen its financial system and offer an alternative to foreign-controlled currencies. However, Russia's approach to cryptocurrencies has received mixed reactions internationally. Some countries fear that this could destabilize the global financial system, while others see it as a way to increase transparency in currency creation and transactions. For Russia, the use of cryptocurrencies and digital currencies is not only a way to increase economic independence but also acts as a protective shield that could shield it from global financial pressures. At the same time, Russia must recognize that cryptocurrencies lack global acceptance and clear regulatory frameworks. Many countries have either banned cryptocurrencies or placed them under St.